friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, we are going to be discussing about how difficult is it for a pilot to get a job in India. Getting a decently paid job in India is difficult, but when it comes to getting a job as an airline pilot, it may not be as difficult as it seems if you take the right decision at the right time with a good guidance. At present, the aviation industry looks good. There is a boom happening, many orders for new aircrafts, many new airports being made. So the aviation industry is currently expanding in India. Now let me give you some points here which may increase your chances of getting hired as an airline pilot. Number 1. Start as young as possible. Well, as you all know, 17 is the age at which the CPL license is issued. So yes, if you can start your training by 16-17, it will be a very nice thing to have your CPL as soon as possible. Without wasting any time, quickly get done with your Class 2 and Class 1 medical. Try to clear your DGCA exams in the first 2 attempts. Have a strong hold on your aviation subjects because when you have to get selected into the airline, you will have to clear your written examination where you will be asked a lot of questions from your CPL subjects. Make an impressive CV along with a covering letter. Try to finish your multi-engine along with your CPL itself. Start practicing for your interviews. If there is no opening in sight in future, well, it is not a bad idea to join the airline as a ground staff. It is easier to make your way into the cockpit from the ground. If nothing works out at all, you can join an academy as an instructor. Maybe you can join a flying institute and you can become an instructor where you can gain more flying hours, and then by the time the opening comes, you will have an advantage. Now, these are certain things which I had to offer which might increase your chances of getting hired in the airline. I hope my points will help you, and I hope you keep watching our videos. For more such informative videos and updates, keep following our channel Epaulettes. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!